Hello, my friends. Today in math, we are going to do some counting. And as you can see on my screen right now, I have all these little Unifix cubes over on the side. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some Unifix cubes, and then on your dry erase board, like Mrs. Stokowski has, and a marker, you're going to write down that number right on here. Or you can use a piece of paper. I recommend everybody going to the dollar store and picking up a dry erase board and a dry erase marker for $2. Especially for math and CKLA, this is going to come in handy a lot. So dry erase board, dry erase marker, put that on your list, your supply list, because we need some of these. Okay, so first one up, I am going to put a bunch of red ones just all over. I'm not gonna, oh, I didn't want to attach it. Let's undo that. I don't want them to attach. So let's keep them just like that. Okay? There they all are, all spread out. Okay? Now let's count them. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what does that number look like? Around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. So let's write a 3 up on our board. Around the tree, this is the way we make a 3. So that's a 3, right? Awesome job. Okay, erase that. You guys are pretty awesome. Now I'm going to put some more out there. I'm going to put a blue one, some blue ones out there. Okay, are you ready to count the blue ones? 1, 2. There are 2 blue, so let's do the number 2. Now, we're not going to make a number 2 like Mrs. Stokowski makes her 2. We're going to make them just like that. That's our number 2. There's 2 blues. It also rhymes. Okay, now I'm going to throw in some yellow ones. Oh, I don't want it to attach. How do you not attach it? There you go. Figured that one out. 1, 2, it's not here. Let's like this. Okay, are you ready to count the yellow ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we make a 5 just like this. I like this one. It's a hat. No, it's the neck and the head and a big fat belly. He's alive, number 5. He's alive. So it's number 5. Now here comes the fun part. Now we need to put them in a straight line. Do you know what a line is? You should all know what a line is. We're doing them in CKLA. We're going to put in a straight line, a vertical line or a horizontal line that goes straight across. So we're going to line them up, and then we're going to count them. So are you ready to line them up and count? Let's start with the red ones. So we're going to bring the red ones over and put them in a line. So there's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. So how many red ones are in the straight line that we have? 1, 2, 3. Good job, my friends. Now, let's do the blue ones. We're going to put the blue ones in a straight line. So that's 1, and that's 2. How many is that? That's 2. Good job. And now we're going to do the yellow ones in a straight line. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 5 in a row that we just did. So there's 3 in a row for red, 2 in a row for blue, and 5 in a row for yellow. Kiss your brains. Kiss your brains. I'm going to do one more. Let's do some white. 1, 2, 3. There's our white ones. There's our white ones. Now we're going to put these in a row also. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there is 4. Look at that. We just counted and put our numbers, our little manipulatives, in order in a nice little line. So we start from the left and we go to the right. So this is the left over here, and we're going to the right, and we line them up straight across. So it's red, blues, yellows, whites. 1, 2, 3 reds. 1, 2 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellows. And 1, 2, 3, 4 whites. Good job lining up the objects and counting along with Mrs. Stokowski. Good job. Kiss your brains. Kiss your brains.